Light. Yes, and how are you?
I'm good. How about
Yes,
you?
I feel great
Yeah.
as usual
Yeah.
because it's Sunday and
Oh,
tomorrow is
yeah.
Monday.
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you do today, Crystal?
Mm.
Yes, what did you do today?
I watched all the dramas and entertainment shows that I couldn't watch in weekdays.
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
Whoa, what drama? What drama did you watch?
Oh, can I search it?
Okay, of
Uh,
course, it's okay.
yeah. I don't know, but I don't know if it is right, but fabrication?
Fabrication.
Yeah.
Fabrication. Is that like a Korean drama?
Yes, yes.
Fabrication. Let's say, okay, kindly give me a sec. I will open fabrication Korean drama. Mm.
Mm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Here, fabrication or fabricated city.
Mm.
Fabricated city.
Fabrication.
Fabrication.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Is it already finished in Korea?
No, it started. It just started.
So it just started.
Yes.
Oh, I want to watch. I want to watch. Yeah, it seems, interesting, quite
Yeah, it's
interesting.
interesting.
I will,
Yeah.
but I have to wait because I
Ah.
need, who's that? I will watch it after it will be finished in your country.
Really?
Oh yes, of course.
Oh.
Because I don't want to wait like every week. I have to wait for one episode or two episodes. No, 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 no. I want to watch
Ah.
like in one sitting,
Ah. I
or else.
understand it. Ah.
Mm. Yeah, so that's why, in my case, I just watched Voice again. Oh, so good.
TV and drama.
Mm.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
And I love it.
Yeah.
And then Fight My Way.
Fight my way.
Mm-hmm.
What is it? Fight my way.
Yes, it's Korean drama.
Ah. Ah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So again, I'm so happy.
Oh.
Yeah. So I don't know. I don't have enough time to watch dramas these days,
Mm.
so maybe next week I will. Yes. Okay. So, oh yes, Crystal, I
Yep.
see here that your book is vowels. So why
Yes.
are you taking the NS course?
Because my teacher recommended me to
Mm-hmm.
take this course to practice pronunciation.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay. And what can you say about the NS course? Is it fun?
Actually, at first it was not that fun, and I stopped for the first time when
Mm-hmm.
I started, but I started again with another teacher, and
Mm-hmm.
it is better than before.
So it got better than before.
Yes.
Okay, that's great then.
Yeah.
So would you like to continue with your lesson or would you like another topic for today?
And of course.
And of course,
Yeah.
okay. So you are now in lesson 4
Yeah.
and the actual practice number 7,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I was just looking at this earlier. Oh, yes, really. NS. Okay. So let's start then.
Yep.
So you are in the long A sound.
Yeah.
There's no problem here because most Koreans can pronounce the long A sound without any problem.
Yeah.
So let's go to the actual practice.
Yeah.
And it says here you are in number 7, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So number 7. Okay, let's start.
Ha. A lady's a lady's birthday is in April.
Mm. So a lady's birthday is in April.
Yeah, April.
Okay,
Oh.
good. April. Okay, number eight.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm. They call my name in a different way.
So they call my name in a different way.
Yeah.
My name in a different way. Okay, good.
Yeah.
No problem with that. Okay, number nine.
Maybe aliens have an interesting game that we don't know.
Yes. So maybe aliens have an interesting game that we don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And number 10.
I like rainy day because mm, I like my face and body get wet.
Mm. So I like the rainy day, or I like rainy days because I like my body to get
and
wet,
and my
and
face
my face
get wet.
get wet.
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds romantic because in most Korean dramas they have that kind of scene.
Ooh,
Correct?
I don't like it. Ooh. Ooh.
I thought you like example, you're just walking on the road and then the rain, oh,
oh,
pouring,
oh, it's common.
right? I know, very common. Okay, so questions?
Yeah. Ah, no,
None.
no, 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 no.
Okay, no questions. So let's
Yeah,
go to the homework part.
yeah,
So you know the drill, Crystal?
yeah,
Okay, number one, yes, you have to repeat the sounds 3 times.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, let's start.
E, E, A,
Again.
E, E, A.
Okay, again.
Huh? Again?
Yes, one
Huh?
more.
E, E, A.
Okay, and number two, kindly read the sentence 3 times.
Yep. 8
Mhm.
neighbors conveyed a message that they may use the survey data to label the safe zones in the neighborhood. 8 neighbors conveyed the message that they may use the survey data to label the safe zones in the neighborhood. 8 neighbors conveyed a message that they may use the survey data to label the safe zones in the neighborhood.
Okay, kindly read this one.
Message.
Okay, so message.
Mess.
Okay, message.
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 A.
Yes. Okay, let's check Oxford just to be sure.
Yep.
Okay, give me a sec. Yes. So message, message. Where are you, my Oxford? Okay, here it is. Mhm. Okay, so message. So
Message.
it's the short I. Message.
Message.
Okay,
Message.
yes,
Oh,
message.
message.
But yes, but for British they say message,
Ah,
message,
message.
message. And for
Message.
American, message.
Message.
Message. Okay,
Message.
not
Oh,
message. You said
mess.
message,
Me-
message,
message.
message. Okay, message. Okay,
Message.
so questions?
No?
No. Okay, so let's now go to the next part.
Yep.
So it's a new lesson. So the
Yeah.
short E sound.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So the short E sound, how do you pronounce this sound?
Eh,
Yes, eh, right?
eh, eh,
Eh.
eh.
Yeah, so of course there's no tension here, no tension at all.
Yeah,
So the lip is
yeah,
unrounded
yeah.
and it's relaxed.
Oh,
Okay?
yeah,
So your teeth, you push your tongue forward, so
yeah,
it's already touching the bottom teeth, the ridge of the bottom teeth.
yeah.
So
Eh,
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 yes.
eh.
So it's relaxed, okay?
Oh, yeah,
Unlike the short E sound, it's almost the same, but you have to push your tongue more,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, but in here, it's
Eh, eh,
Okay, that's it.
eh,
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 eh.
correct.
Yeah,
Okay. So, of course, the size of your tongue, and here.
eh,
They may lightly touch the top and bottom of the side teeth. So your iha, uh-huh,
ah,
it will be touching this. So eh,
eh, eh,
yes, eh.
eh.
That's it only.
Teacher,
Correct.
is it
Yes.
different? Eh,
That is ah. That is already
ah,
ah. Okay.
ah,
In here you have to drop your jaw. Ah.
ah,
Yes. In here like
eh,
eh.
eh,
So you're not dropping your jaw. Okay. You
ah,
don't drop your jaw because once you will drop your jaw,
yeah,
like and then
eh,
ah.
eh,
No, totally. Yes.
ah,
So this is
eh,
not yes. So just unrounded. Just
yeah,
relax.
yeah,
Eh.
eh,
Yeah. That's it.
eh,
Okay, do not do anything, okay?
yeah,
So your tongue is pushed forward and is touching the bottom ridge or the
yeah,
ridge of your bottom teeth.
yeah,
Ha.
ah,
And then that's it. Okay, do not drop your jaw first.
yeah,
Once you will drop your jaw, if you will do this and then you drop your jaw, you will already make this sound.
ah,
So yes,
eh, eh,
eh,
eh, eh,
correct. Okay,
ah,
so that's it. Now the spelling pattern.
yeah,
So of course, words with letter E
yeah,
it will get the short it will get the short e sound.
yeah.
So kindly read examples.
Ban, mat,
Yes, ben and met. Eh,
eh,
not ban, okay? It's not that long. Ben
ah,
and
ban,
met.
mat,
Yes,
eh,
okay.
yeah,
So b e t b e t ban met. Okay, that kind.
oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So number two, of course, ea. It
oh,
will take the short E sound, but remember, Crystal, not all words with the EA will get the short E sound, okay?
oh,
So we will learn that as we will learn that as we go on with the lesson.
yeah,
Okay, so kindly read examples first.
yeah, had,
Mm,
stad,
yeah, so head, stead,
oh,
eh,
eh,
that's it. So if you're confused, you just do this H, eh,
eh,
d,
uh,
head. Oh,
oh,
Let's
oh,
practice. Okay, so let's go to the word practice. So, of course, the first one is the letter E.
yeah,
Kindly read the first word.
bad, ah, sad, went, ten, well, desk, ban, red, sell, edge, get, yell, then, send, man.
Okay, good. No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, so most students, they add extra sound here, but in your case, you did not, so very good.
Ah.
Most students, Korean students, they say edge, edge,
Ah.
edge, right? There's an
Yeah.
extra E sound. But in
Ah.
your case, you just say edge, so very good.
Edge. Oh.
Edge.
Edge.
Okay. Yes, that's it. No extra sound. But oh yes, really some. They have extra sound. Okay, so let's go to the next spelling pattern, the
Yeah.
EA sound, EA pattern. Okay,
Oh.
kind of read.
Yeah. Breath. Dad.
Mhm.
Head. Health. Bread. Sweater. Ready. Meant. Feather. Spread. Leather. Heavy. Pleasure. Treasure. Zealous.
Mhm. Okay, again. Start here. Okay, again.
Leather.
Mhm.
Heavy. Pleasure. Treasure. Zealous.
Mhm. Zealous. Okay, how about this one?
Pleasure.
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 Pleasure. Okay,
Pleasure.
again.
Sure.
That one is
Pleasure.
pleasure.
Ple-
Pleasure.
not pleasure. Not
Not
pleasure.
pleasure. Yes.
Pleasure.
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 Pleasure. Yes.
Pleasure.
Yes. Again.
Pleasure.
Okay.
J. J.
Yes. Pleasure. Pleasure.
Pleasure.
One more.
Pleasure.
Okay. There's more like a D. Pleasure. Say pleasure.
Pleasure.
Okay. One more.
pleasure.
Okay, not j, j.
J,
Yeah, not g, z. Okay,
j,
so your tongue and then do
z,
not touch anything. Yes, your tongue is like behind your z. Curl your
z,
tongue, curl, and do not touch your what's that? The back of your front or your front and your lower teeth. The z.
j,
Yes, again, pleasure.
pleasure,
Mhm. Okay, one more.
pleasure,
Okay, that's better.
pleasure.
Whew.
Oh,
Yes, okay, not pleasure, okay, not z. You will go here when you go to consonants, but
yeah.
just remember, there's a vibration, but do not touch anything. Your tongue is
Z,
yes, just at the middle and not touching. Doesn't touch anything. So your just
z,
tongue is just here.
z, z,
Yes, just practice
z,
pleasure, pleasure.
pleasure.
Yeah, yes, that's it.
Z,
Yeah, pleasure.
z, ooh,
Like, okay.
yeah,
So, and then same here.
yeah.
Okay, kindly read.
Z, treasure,
Treasure.
treasure,
Again. Okay,
z,
one more.
treasure, ah,
Again.
treasure,
Okay,
z,
better.
z,
Again. Yes.
treasure,
Okay. Not that's
z, z,
Okay. You can do it.
difficult, treasure,
Yeah, treasure. Treasure.
z,
Yes.
z,
Yes, that's it.
ah,
Correct. Now. Yeah. I cannot
z,
explain it really. So I'm just making the sound. Mm,
z,
mm. Again, and read.
treasure,
That's still a I'm not saying
z,
I said z.
z,
Okay, wait, give me a sec. I will just open. Okay, this one. Uh,
treasure,
yeah, just practice while I'm checking the book. Okay, give me a sec. I will just check this one. You say
treasure, z,
pleasure, pleasure.
treasure.
Yes, and then where are you? So that I hope I would be able to explain it better. Where is the
Z.
sound? Oh, where are you? Why can't I find it? Yeah, why can there it is. Okay, so the fricative like okay, your what's that? Your tongue at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. That's it.
Z.
Yes. Okay, again, read this
Z.
one.
Treasure.
Okay, better. One more.
Oh.
So your
Z.
tongue, it's here, curled. Your tongue is here. So ah, and then high.
Z.
Okay, good. Another
Mm.
one. Again. Tre.
Treasure.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you. Yeah. Sorry, actually, do you know, Crystal, that I forgot almost all the things that I've learned in NS because it's been like 4 months already, and I
Oh.
haven't taught NS for a long, long, long time.
Oh,
So I was
really?
like, oh yes. So I was like,
Oh.
I forgot. Yeah. During my training, I really got like high scores.
Oh.
I all passed the test, but after
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
I I did not have an as a student. So
Ah.
yeah, it slipped my mind already. So I have to
Ah.
review.
Ah.
See? So that's
Yeah.
what Crystal, you have to practice, practice.
Yeah.
Unlike me, if you will not practice, you will totally forget everything.
Yeah.
Really bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so just so your
Z.
tongue, put it here
Mm.
and quite high.
Uh.
And
Z.
then your lips look puckered, puckered.
Z.
Yes, very good. That's it. You're making the the correct sound now. So you
Oh,
will learn this fricative when you go to consonants, but that
yeah.
will take months still.
Oh,
However, as long as you know it here, it's
yeah.
very good. So
Oh,
pleasure, pleasure, and treasure.
z,
Treasure. Yes.
pleasure,
Yes, that's
jur.
it. Yeah,
Oh,
jure, jure,
jur,
jure,
jur,
treasure. Yes,
jur.
good. Okay,
Oh,
because
yeah.
like earlier, like z and z, z is different. Z is z already.
Z,
Yeah, but
z, z.
okay, yes, your lips are puckered. Okay, so let's go to what's that exception to the rules? Okay,
Yeah.
so kindly read the first one.
Yep.
Mm.
Any,
First word. Yes.
any,
Next.
many,
Yes.
again,
Mhm.
against,
Mhm.
sad, says.
Yes.
Oh, heifer,
Yes.
heifer.
Yes. Heifer. Mhm.
Oh, heifer, friend. Hmm? Je- Jeopardy,
Yes. Jeopardy.
Jeopardy,
Jeopardy. Oh, correct.
Jeopardy.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay. Next.
Jeopardy,
Yes.
leopard. Ge-
Correct.
oh, guess, guest, berry.
Yes. Berry. Most people we say bury, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Most
yeah.
people they read it bury. Even for us Filipinos, yes, we say bury because
Oh,
that's
me
how
too.
we.
I thought that it is berry.
Yes.
Oh,
But actually berry. Berry.
berry.
Berry. Yes.
Oh,
Berry. Okay. So questions.
ah, berry. Oh,
Not
oh,
berry. Okay. Just berry.
oh,
Berry.
oh, oh.
Yes, but I know that many people they read it as bury.
Berry.
Yeah,
Ah,
but it's berry.
berry. Yeah,
Yeah, berry. Okay,
berry. Yeah.
let's now go to the sentence practice. Okay, kindly read the first one.
Eddie will get 10 of Meg's hens to sell eggs for a living.
Okay, good. One more.
Eddie will get 10 of Meg's hens to sell eggs for a living.
Okay, good. Two.
Yep. Ben set his bells on the edge of his desk.
Very good. Number three.
Yep. Send us 10 men to rescue our pets from the lion's den.
Okay, four.
My pet is getting very heavy from eating too much bread.
Very good.
Yeah.
Five.
A well-educated vet said that it would be best for my pet's health to get a rest.
Correct. Number six.
Beth kept feeling jealous when Ted said that her friend's red, red leather jacket looked sexy.
Okay. Again, number six.
Beth kept feeling jealous when Ted said that her friend's red leather jacket looked sexy.
Again.
Leather.
Yes, because earlier you said leather. That is the D
Ah,
sound. Okay.
ah, yeah.
Leather, right?
Leather.
Leather. Okay.
Leather.
Yes, leather. Okay, kindly give me a sec. It's here. Okay. So this sound, see? Ah, I'm really, 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 really. Where are you?
Huh?
Okay, so this sound. Okay. So leather is leather. Where is my leather?
Hmm?
Okay, so this sign, of course, this sign is the voiced th.
TH.
The voiced, yes. This is the voiced th. So leather, leather,
Leather.
yes, leather.
Leather.
Yes, forgive me, Crystal. I'm
Huh?
still learning again.
That's okay.
I got so high in my quizzes. Yeah, so if you see this one, this
Yeah.
is the voice
Oh,
th,
yeah.
and if you see this one, that is the unvoiced th.
Ah,
Yes, because there are two sounds, right? So
yeah.
the th sound. So here, okay, let's check. So here it is. And when you, okay, when you pronounce. Oh, that is a v and v. If the th, if it sound the
Yep.
voice, v, we say v,
V.
v. Yeah, v.
Mm,
Yeah, that's it. Yes,
V.
and the voice, yeah, and the unvoiced, yes, that sound. So here is the voice th. So leather, leather.
Leather.
Yes, leather. Yes,
Leather.
yes, correct here.
There.
Okay, yes, leather.
Leather.
Uh, yes. So just remember, this is the voice and this is the unvoiced.
Oh.
You will learn that in consonants, but
Yeah.
there are many words that have this symbol. So that's
Oh.
why.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. So let's go again. Number 7.
Yep. Try
Kindly
to.
read.
Yep. Try to guess where I buried the leopard sofa.
Okay, again, number 7.
Yep. Try to guess where I buried the leopard sofa.
So leopard. You nearly said Leo,
Yeah.
right? You said Leo. Leopard. Leopard is leopard. But I know.
Ah.
Here in the Philippines too, many Filipinos they say leopard
Oh,
instead of
really?
leopard. Oh
Oh.
yes.
Oh.
Yes. So we're in the same boat, Crystal. We're in the same boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Leopard.
And number 8. Okay, kindly read.
Yep. Bag, bag, net to set 10 wet nets on the deck.
Okay, so no problem with that, right?
Wow,
Bag, bag,
yeah.
net to set 10 wet nets on the deck.
Yeah.
Okay. So questions?
Oh, no?
No questions. We're fast. Really fast. Okay. So now let's go to the actual practice. Okay, number 1.
Yeah.
Mm,
Ah.
mm.
Mm. Mm. Ah. Many friends of mine like to go to a karaoke.
Mm. So many friends of mine like to go to karaoke.
A karaoke.
Yes.
Yeah.
Say karaoke, but for us we say karaoke. Oh yes, correct. But karaoke.
Karaoke.
Oh, yes. Number 2.
Ted went to the bed earlier than usual.
Yes. So Ted went to bed earlier than usual.
Yes,
Correct. Okay,
usual.
number 3.
The bench is wrecked.
Yes. The bench is wrecked.
Wrecked.
Correct.
Yeah.
Number 4.
Ah. Mm. Ah, the winter clothes, like a sweater, is heavier than summer clothes.
Mm. So the winter, or you can say winter clothes,
Yeah,
like sweater,
yeah,
is heavier than summer clothes.
summer clothes.
Okay. Yes. So number 5. Mm.
Ah, to check
Oh,
my puppy's health, I regularly visit a vet.
okay. I'm sorry again. Kindly repeat.
To check my puppy's health, I regularly visit a vet.
Correct.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Number 6.
Ben yelled loudly.
Yeah, so Ben yelled loudly. Very
Yeah.
good. Number 7.
Men went. Uh, 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 the man went to the church.
Mm, so the man went to the church
Yeah,
or went to church.
I
Okay,
went to
correct.
church. Oh,
Went to church, went to the church is okay.
yeah.
Okay. Number 8.
Mm, mm. Try to guess what is in the present box.
Okay. So try to guess what is in the present box.
Yes.
Okay. Or you can also say try to guess what present is in the box.
Oh, what
Try to guess
present in
what
the box?
present is in the box.
Or is in the
Um,
box?
yes.
Oh.
We normally don't say present box. No. What present is inside or is in
Yeah.
the box.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Number nine.
Teacher, I don't know what this means.
Ah, den is like where what's that? Normally, den is a place where
Place?
animals, yes, a den,
Then?
yes, a den. A den is a wild animal's lair or where they live. You call that
Oh.
a den.
Oh.
So a place where wild animals stay or sleep.
Oh.
We call that
Oh.
like a lion's den, a leopard's den, a bear's den. Okay, refer to
Yeah.
wild animal place.
Ah.
Yeah, okay. So now, kindly make a sentence.
Yep. Can I search the one word?
Okay.
Ah.
You can. Why not?
Aha. Oh, okay, okay. Um, a professional photographer went to the jungle to take a picture of a leopard in a den.
Mm, of a leopard in a den.
Ah,
Leopard.
leopard in a den.
Again.
Ah, leopard.
Again. The whole sentence.
The professional photographer went to the jungle to take a picture of a leopard in a den.
Mm, take a picture in leopard in a den.
Yeah,
Correct. Leopard. And then number 10.
yeah.
Mm,
Oh. Ah, the bird that I raised was dead, so I buried it with its nest.
buried it with its nest. Okay, so the bird that I raised was dead, or you can also say the bird that I raised died,
Ah, died.
because if they was dead, the bird was already dead
Uh,
at the time,
yeah,
at that point in time.
yeah.
So the bird that I raised died, so I buried with its nest.
Oh,
So I buried it with its nest.
oh,
Okay,
yeah.
that's it. And actually, yes, Crystal, I raised a bird a few months ago, but sadly to say, it died.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because the bird, I think the bird fell on its nest. So I just saw it on the ground, and my dog, actually my dog, one of my dogs nearly swallowed it. So I stopped my dog, and then I took the bird and I raised it for a few days. It was like
Oh,
a baby bird, so I didn't
oh,
know what to
oh,
feed. Yeah,
oh,
what to feed the bird. Eventually, it died. Oh my god, I don't like it. Yeah, I really, really don't like it.
oh.
So, so bad, but it's okay. Yeah, I at least I learned my lesson.
Oh.
Next time, don't try.
Oh.
Find the mother. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, so how about you, Crystal? Have you ever raised like an animal or a pet?
Ah, now I raise a puppy.
Ah, I'm raising a puppy.
Yeah,
Oh, what puppy? What kind? What breed? I mean,
poodle.
poodle.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Why not? I mean, why not a Pomeranian?
Ah, the fur is uncontrollable.
What do you mean for is uncontrollable?
Oh,
Uncontrollable.
it.
Mm.
I don't know the vocabulary.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
So like the fur will be scattered everywhere.
yes, yes.
Poodle, but poodle are furry too, right? Furry
Ah,
poodles.
but it doesn't. Mm, mm. Ah, the poodle doesn't lose their hair.
So you mean the poodle or poodles don't shed
Oh,
fur?
oh, shed,
Yeah,
shed,
we call that shed.
shed,
Mm,
shed.
yes, shed.
Yes,
Ah, so poodles don't shed.
yes,
Really?
yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, but in my case, yeah, do you already know that I have dogs too?
Huh? Pardon me?
Did I? Yeah. Do you know that I have dogs?
Oh no.
I have 7 dogs currently. I have, yes, these are my dogs. Okay, I will show a
Oh,
picture.
wow, yeah.
Yes. Okay, but kindly give me a sec. So just
Yeah,
here and then here. It's here on my phone, but actually it's better for me to just, haha, okay, cute
yeah,
one.
yeah.
And then capture area, there it is. Oh, this one,
Ah,
Rottweilers.
oh, quite big.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
They can weigh up to 63 kilograms.
eh?
Oh, yes, of course.
It's heavier than me.
Me. I know it's heavier than me too.
Oh,
And I have
actually, it's
4.
heavier than my father's weight.
Really?
Mm.
Oh my God. Oh my God. But is is your father, I mean, short or just average
He's
height?
not that big. Tall.
Ah, he's tall, but he's not fat.
Oh yes.
My my fiance weighs, oh, 60.
Mm.
My fiance weighs 63 kilograms.
Oh really?
Oh yes.
Oh.
So he's bigger than my dog. And I also have this, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, but okay, again, here it is. Picture, picture. It's this one. Chow chow.
Ah.
Ah, yeah, you already know. Furs everywhere. They keep
Ah.
on shedding.
Oh
Yeah,
my god.
especially summer. Mm. And
It's
I have
also
this
big.
one.
Oh. Oh, teacher,
Ah,
are you rich?
no,
Well,
I'm not.
oh my god. How can you raise all the dogs?
Crystal, that's why I don't have money. No, ah, I mean, I'm raising dogs as an investment or as a business.
Ah, really?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
like sell puppies. Yes,
Ah.
so I do sell puppies. Because
Ah.
Crystal,
Yeah.
I can never ever raise a dog for a pet. Only for a pet? No, it's too expensive. I
I
can
know,
never
I
afford
know.
that one. That's why. But actually, my dream is to have this dog, but it costs. Okay, wait. The price so expensive. I want to raise this dog, and I
Hmm?
hope I will be able to in the future.
Hmm? What
This one,
breed? Oh,
Akita. Akita
Aki
Inu. It's a
Akitaino.
Japanese dog. Yeah,
Ah,
Inu in Japan means dog. Akita Inu.
Akitainu.
Inu.
Ah, a Japanese breed of
Mm,
dog?
dog. Yes.
Oh,
That's so expensive.
really?
Like one puppy can cost 4,500 US dollars. One puppy.
천만, 십만. 14500?
Ah, no, no, no. 4,500 dollars.
Wow.
Yes, I can never afford that one,
Oh
Crystal.
my god.
But Okay, before we go, yeah, because actually time is up. But
Yeah.
before we go, this is the most expensive dog in the whole world. The
Wow.
price, oh no, I think this one, dollars.
Dollar?
Of course, yes, yes, yes.
What? Oh, $1.6 billion?
Yes.
A billion
Oh,
won?
dollars. That's dollars, not one.
Oh
Dollars.
my god.
And this is the dog. Okay, they call it. This is it.
Oh.
Tibetan Mastiff.
Huh?
Yeah, we call that Tibetan Mastiff. So this is the most expensive dog in the whole
Ah,
world.
it's like a lion. A lion dog. Ah,
Yes,
ah,
yes, and
ah.
big.
The Chinese
Yep,
people raise this dog.
yep,
Oh.
yes.
Ah.
And the reason, actually, not all Tibetan Mastiff are
Yeah.
like $1.6 million. The reason why the dog costs $1.6 million is that the dog was so rare because his line or the pedigree, if you say pedigree, that's a family tree.
Yeah.
He was the only, it was the only dog alive with that family line. That's why it was bid. Yeah, it was bidded for $1.6 million.
Wow.
See? So, Crystal, raise
Yeah.
dogs. You will be rich.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yes, anyway, yes, our time is up. So, thank you so much, and good job on the short Esau. No problem with that. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm so sorry for, yeah, was not able to fully prepare for our
No.
lesson.
No.
Yes. So, just remember voice and then unvoice. I want you to memorize this as early as now because many words, you will encounter many words with the voice and the unvoiced th.
Yeah.
So, in order to prepare yourself, okay?
Yep.
Yes, so that's it. Thank you so much, and have
Yeah.
a great night.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day tomorrow.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Yep.
Yep.